how to fix Google Meet camera failed. Here's what you have to do. Open up Google Meet and then click on this icon next to your URL bar. And right here, you just want to click on Site Settings. From here, where it says Camera, you will click on Ask and just set this to Allow. Once you have done this, you can close this page. Now, the second thing that you have to do is click on the three dots here and go into Settings. And you will go and search for Permissions. And then you want to click on Site Permissions. And right here, you will go into Camera and make sure this is the camera which you use. So your default camera, the one that you recognize, because some cameras here, you may have some camera inputs which are, accepted as cameras but aren't actual cameras. So you just want to click on your camera here and set it, and that should fix the issue as long as you refresh the page. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.